Hello. Today, I want to tell you about a special day. It was a day without my phone. In our daily life, we use our phones all the time. We check messages. We watch videos. We use social media. Our phones are always with us. But one day, something different happened. I woke up in the morning. I reached for my phone, but I could not find it. I looked on my table. I looked in my bag, but it was not there. At first, I felt confused. Then I felt a little nervous. I thought, where is my phone? I tried to remember. Then I realized something. I left my phone at my friend's house the night before. At that moment, I had a choice. I could go and get it, or I could try to spend one day without it. I thought for a moment. Then I said to myself, let's try one day without a phone. It felt strange. I was not sure if I could do it, but I wanted to try. I got out of bed and started my day. Usually I check my phone in the morning. I read messages. I scroll through social media. But today, I could not do that. At first, I did not know what to do. So I just sat quietly. Then I decided to make breakfast. I went to the kitchen and cooked eggs and bread. I ate slowly. There was no phone on the table, no notifications, no distractions. It felt quiet. After breakfast, I cleaned the kitchen. Then I looked around my room. I saw my books. Usually, I do not pay much attention to them, but today I picked one up. I started reading. At first, it felt a little slow, but after a few minutes, I became interested. I continued reading. Time passed, but I did not notice. Without my phone, I focused more. Later, I decided to go outside. I went for a walk. Usually, when I walk, I listen to music or look at my phone. But today, I just walked. I looked at the trees. I looked at the sky. I listened to the sounds around me. I heard birds. I heard people talking. I noticed many small things, things I usually do not see. I felt more connected to the world. When I returned home, I felt calm. At noon, I made lunch. I cooked a simple meal. While eating, I did not watch anything. I just ate and enjoyed my food. I could taste the food better. After lunch, I felt a little bored. I wanted to check my phone. I wanted to see messages. But I reminded myself, this is a phone-free day. So I found something else to do. I cleaned my room. I organized my desk. I found some old notebooks. I read them again. They reminded me of the past. I smiled. In the afternoon, I decided to write. I took a notebook and a pen. I wrote about my day. I wrote about my feelings. Writing helped me think clearly. I felt relaxed. Later, I made a cup of tea. I sat near the window. I watched the sky. Time moved slowly, but it felt peaceful. Without my phone, I was not busy. I had more time for myself. In the evening, I went outside again. I walked to a small park. I saw people using their phones. Some were looking at screens. Some were taking photos. I realized something. We use our phones a lot. Sometimes too much. We forget to enjoy real life. That day, I felt different. I felt free. I did not worry about messages. I did not think about social media. I just lived in the moment. At night, I went back home. I ate dinner quietly. Then I sat and thought about my day. It was simple, but it was meaningful. I learned something important. My phone is useful, but I do not always need it. I can live without it for some time. And when I do, I can see life more clearly. Before going to bed, I wrote one sentence in my notebook. Today, I lived more and used less. I smiled. The next day, I got my phone back. But something changed. Now, I try to use my phone less. I spend more time with real life because I know life is not on the screen. It is around us. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you can try a day without your phone too. See you next time.